Now in this video, we will see what we are going to build as an employee report. Specifically, it is going to have these important areas in our employee report. So on the top left, we will have the user inputs where the user can select an employee and provide the start and end date. And then on the left, you will actually have the months and then the dates across. And this is the time period or the date range for which the employee report will be generated for, and then it can have up to 12 months. And then the calendar data is the area where we will create the formula which will say whether the employee was actually on vacation or working for that specific date. And it's going to be similar to what we did in the team dashboard previously. And then we will apply conditional formatting to these so that the colors are indicative of the vacation types. And also on the right, in the second page, we will have the monthly summary of the vacation count and all that. And we will also have at the top the annual summary, so the total time period between the start and end date, what is the count or the number of vacation days, sick days, and all that, and total work days as well. So all of this will be calculated automatically when the user selects a specific employee from the drop-down list. So this is what we are going to build in the next set of videos. We will learn step by step how we will build this entire thing from scratch.